Hello guys, this is George from georgepauley.com. Welcome today, and we're going to review money magnets. We're going to take a look at money magnets and what the program is, how to use it, or what do you need to do, and then if you do that, can you make any money? Because that's what we're here about. Everyone wants to make some more money, but what have you got to do? So this is an insane bonus page here. Now, again, why do I start with a bonus page? It's because these programs, money magnets, for to start with, needs traffic. Okay, there are some fundamental ideas and concepts that money magnets is going to teach you, but you need to drive some traffic to there. And they do have a few traffic ideas there that they're going to help you with, but I always like to give a little bit more of that. So looking at, let me find the sales page here real quick for you. So here we have the sales page, and you can see here, these money magnets, they build passive income streams for us daily. This is the fundamental, money magnets is the fundamental on how internet marketing and affiliate marketing works, where you have a customer and you grab that customer's attention through a headline, through an offer, through a free gift or something like that. And in exchange for the free gift, they give you the email. Their email goes on a list. You present the offer to them. Some buy, some don't. But the thing is you've got these people on your list, and now you can market to them in the future. You don't want to market every day something buy, but you want to give value and educate and give something that those people on your email list, something that they can use. And they're going to say, you know what? I like that guy. And whatever he's got next, I want to buy it. So with money magnets, that is going to happen that way. You're going to get a complete business in a box, free training traffic. It's easy to set up, no monthly fees, no tech skills or experience really required, beginner friendly. Yep. See what happens when you leave? You're going to get an extra $5 off. So remember that, okay? Going to my bonus offer. So why do we go to the bonus offer here? It's because right now I'm going to tell you what this thing's going to cost you. So you see here 17 and 12 or $17, but when I started to leave, hey, wait, we'll give it to you for 12. And then there's some upsells. You can upgrade for 67, 37, 197, or even 197 another time after that. So they'll go over all that stuff in the presentation and as you start to go through it. So what am I going to give here? We're going to give Enigma. And what is Enigma? Enigma is it's an access to a hack that is going to help affiliate marketers and their email list and build up their email list. Bonus number 2 is instant cash strategies. As you develop your internet business, as you build up a list, as you make some sales, there's some strategies that you can use to remarket to some of these people that maybe didn't buy the first time, but maybe we're going to buy it second time. So you want to be able to retarget those. Bonus number 3 is a secret traffic source that puts money magnets on steroids. You want more traffic. Now, Gemini, I'm looking over here because I have some notes over there. This is only going to be good for 24 hours, and this hack is going to allow you to, again, drive more traffic and actually take other customers and clients from other affiliate marketers. So anyways, and all the other bonuses from the vendor here. So this is going to be on Warrior Plus. If you decide to buy it, click on the link below. Then you'll get to that will get you to my bonus page, and then come up over here to my bonus page and click on one of these red buttons. You'll get to the sales page. What does it look like inside? Money magnets. This is the dashboard. Okay. So, it's not too complex. It's pretty simple. There's not a lot here. It's very, very beginner friendly, where there's an introduction, and then it's going to talk about what niche to go in. If you don't know what a niche is, that's like health, wealth, or relationships. Those are the 3 big ones. and you just kind of pick something in between there. They're going to help you out with that. Emailing software, they're going to tell you how to set up an email, how to grow the email list, and how to set it up so when people do click on your stuff, they go to you and not somebody else. Now, earning commissions over here, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank, those are the three major affiliate marketplaces where there are products there that you don't have to do anything except promote them. So through Money Magnets, they will teach you how to get one of these offers, put it out there, have a magnet and say, hey, look, everybody out there, Mr. Public, Mrs. Public, I've got this for you. Come on over here, give me your email, and then bam, I'll send you some stuff, and then they go on a list and you market more stuff to it. Here, traffic. How to get all the different traffic. Traffic 1, 2, and 3. And you can see that there is multiple email or multiple training videos and this stuff here. So that's really good. And then the bonuses, of course, all the different stuff here. How to use the lead magnets, free webinar, and event exclusive promotion rights. Then, of course, if you didn't upgrade, you only bought the $17 or maybe only paid $12 for it, this is where you can upgrade there. So anyways, I hope that this video has made you good. If you like what you see, if you want to try out Money Magnets for $12, go ahead, click the link in the YouTube description. Have a fantastic day. Bye now.